if I was to say this is one of my favourite shrubs, you would have every right to say, hang on, Rog, you said that on the last video. Truth is, I've got a lot of favourite flowers, and let's just say that this particular flower is my favourite for the second week of May in 2023. This gorgeous, bushy, quite easy to grow shrub that is thriving here in the shade in the school garden is Azalea. Some people might class them as rhododendrons. They keep on moving the goalposts with some of these names of plants, but to quote my old mate Will Shakespeare, what is a rose by any other name? So no matter what you call it, this is a beautiful perfumed, hang on, let's get the old nose in there. Here comes the crook's nose. Oh, that's gorgeous. Very sweet tones to the perfume there, and clusters of these flowers in May and sometimes into June. And the nice thing about these deciduous azaleas is that you can get all sorts of colors in them. You can get whites, yellows, combinations of whites and yellows, oranges, reds, pinks, and some of them have a fragrance, some more than others, and this yellow one is probably my favorite, and very good if you've got a shady corner, and this gets a little bit of light, but further down the sensory garden here, in deep shade, you can see there's another one there that's just coming into flowers. So they're one of the few shrubs that will really thrive in a shady situation. And so these are deciduous azaleas. You can also get the evergreen azaleas, and there's one just behind here. These are also one of my favorites. I'll have to do another video about those because they're a different kettle of fish again, keeping their leaves through the winter. Japanese azaleas there. Look out for a separate video on those. But let's celebrate and let's see if we can find a home in our gardens for these gorgeous deciduous azaleas. Deciduous, of course, means that it's going to drop its leaves in the autumn, but you do get some lovely autumn colours, so that's a bit of a downside, I guess. As you go into winter, it drops some of its leaves, but the bonus to that is that just before it drops its leaves, it changes colours, you know, from green, have a nice kind of apple green leaf during the summer. You can see the green leaves just starting there. They turn through various shades of flame red to orange to yellow before they drop. So you've got a kind of a 2 seasons of appeal: spring for the flowers, autumn for the foliage. And let's see if it can become one of your favorites too.